Okay, good afternoon to everybody. Today we'll discuss the differential equation. What is differential equation? What are the basic concepts of differential equation? Actually, an equation which involves the differential coefficient or differential or derivatives with respect to a single independent variable or with respect to more independent variable. It may consist of more independent variable. Then those types of equation is called actually differential equation. So first of all, what is differential equation? Uh, uh, what is differential equation? The definition will be like this. An equation which involves the differential coefficient or derivatives is called differential equation. Or DES, differential equations. Okay, actually, for example, we can say, suppose, for example, 1, ddx of y equals to 1 plus x square 1 minus y square. This is a differential equation because this equation consists of a differential coefficient, that means dx of y. This is the derivative of y with respect to x. So if any ddx, any rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, uh, that means this differential coefficients or derivatives of y is present here. So this is why this equation is called differential equation. So an equation which involves the differential coefficients or derivatives is called differential equations. So for example, dy dx equals to this, or we can write another differential example. Suppose double differentiation of y with respect to x equals to twice differentiation of y with respect to x minus 8y equals to 0. That means this is a equation which involves the derivatives. This is equation because this equation is true for a particular values. That means it has some solutions. Okay, some solutions of the curve y. So y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Remember it. So this is the definition of differential equation. Now there are two types of differential equations. There are two types of differential equations. Are two types of differential equations. Okay, there are two types. First of all, one is ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. That means ODE. Okay, ordinary differential equations. And second one is partial differential equation. Differential equations or PDE. Okay, partial differential equations. And remember it, in ordinary differentiation or ordinary differential equations, only single dependent variable and single independent variable. But in partial differential equation, there may be single dependent variable and more than one independent variable. You have to remember this point. So now what is the ordinary differential equation? So what will be the ordinary differential equations? That means ODE. Okay, ordinary differential equation. A differential equation, a differential equation equation which involves the derivatives with respect to the derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to a single independent variable. With respect to a single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation or ODE. ODES. Okay, same words, ordinary differential equations. For example, ordinary differential equations. Suppose we have an equation dy dx equals to x plus 5. This is the differential equation because this equation involves differential coefficient. Okay, so y is a dependent variable and x is independent variable. This is the rate of change of y with respect to x. So the only single dependent variable and single independent variable. This is why this is ordinary. Another example can be given. Suppose we have second derivative of y with respect to x thrice first derivative of with respect to x plus twice y equals to 0. This equation involves differential coefficients of y with respect to x. There are 2 times and this is 3 times. 3 into dy dx and plus twice y equals to 0. Only single independent variable and single dependent variable. This is why it is called what? Ordinary differential equation. Okay. Now partial differential equation. What will be the definition of partial differential equations? A differential equation involves partial derivatives. A differential equation which involves partial derivatives the partial derivatives of a dependent of one or more dependent variable with respect to respect to more than one independent variable. Independent variable is called partial differential equation. Okay, PDES. Partial derivatives. That means the differential equation which involves partial derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to more than one independent variables is called partial differential equation. Remember this, ordinary will be single, remember it, ordinary, but here more than one, and a single dependent variable, but it's one or more independent variable. This is the basic difference between ordinary differential equations and partial differential equation. For example, we can write any heat equation, wave equation is called partial differential equations. Heat equation, or what will be? It's maybe heat equation or Laplace equation. Okay. Suppose this equation is called what? Partial differential equation. Or another can be written as like this. This is the z is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. This equals to x square plus y. This is also partial differential equation because partial derivatives exist. So any heat equation or any wave equation is called partial differential equation. So the order and degrees of a differential equations. First of all, what will be the order of a differential equation? Order of a differential equation. The order of a differential equation, order of a differential equation, the order will be what? Which will be the highest order, highest derivatives is the order of highest order of highest derivatives. Order of highest derivatives appearing in the equation. Appearing in the equation. Appearing in the equation, or the order of the highest derivative differential coefficients present in the equation is called order of a differential equation. For example, we can use suppose we have a differential equation like this. For example, suppose we have a differential equation like this: L d square q dt square. T is the time and q is the charge, and R is the L is capital R is the electric conductance. You must know capital R is the resistance. Okay, dt plus Q by C sine omega t. This is the differential equation of a circuit, electric circuit. So there are T is the dependent T is what? Independent variable, and Q is the dependent variable. So this is the ordinary differential equation. So highest derivatives what? Highest derivatives. There are highest derivative is 2. So order is what? Order will be what? 2. Because highest derivatives 2. Number of derivatives 2. This is why. We can give another example. Cos x d square y dx square plus sin x dy dx whole square plus y equals to tan x. There are number of derivatives what? 2. Number of derivatives, that means 2 times derivatives, second derivatives. This is why the order of this differential equation is also what will be? 2. Because highest derivatives what? Appearing in this equation? 2. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the degrees of differential equation? Degrees. What will be degrees of a differential equation? Degrees of a differential equation. The degree of a differential equation is the degrees of a differential equation is the power of highest derivatives. Highest derivatives. Power of highest derivatives. After removing moving the radical sign. Radical sign. After removing the radical sign, and fraction, sign and fraction, we have to remove this one. First of all, radical sign and then fraction. Then the highest power will indicate the degrees of a differential equation. Now, for example, we can write what will be the degrees. Example, for the first one, for the example, the degree will be what will be here? Degree. Highest power of derivatives, what? 1. Here also highest power what? Of derivatives. Differential coefficient also 1. This is why degree will be what will be? 1. Similarly, here highest power what? Highest power of differentiation what? What will be highest power? Here highest power of differential equation will be what? 1. Degree also 1. Now we can give another example. Suppose example 1. 1 suppose 1 plus dy dx whole square, and this is cube, equals to d square y dx square whole square. Actually, highest derivative, which one here? Highest derivative is this, right? So this is the example number 3 for this sequence. Now highest derivative is d square y dx square. The highest power what? 2. So degree what will be? Degree what? 2. Remember it. But here order what? What will be the order? Order what? Also 2, because highest derivative is how many derivatives here? 2 times derivative. This is why order also 2. Remember it. So what will be the order of the differential equation? Order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivatives appearing in the differential equation. And similarly, degrees of differential equation, what will be? Degrees of differential equation is the power of the highest derivatives appearing in the differential equation. So this is the actually definition and example of degrees and power of differential equation. Now we can classify each of the following by order and degrees. These all are differential equations. Now we will classify the order and degree. First of all, what will be the order? Order will be what? Highest power, highest power of the derivatives 1. This is why order will be what? Order will be 1. Here order will be 1, and degree also what? Degree also 1. And here order will be what? 2. Order will be 2, and degree what will be? Degree also 1, because highest power is 1. But if you observe in equation, differential equation 3, number 3, highest derivatives what? 1, and order also 1. So order 1 and degree also 1. Order 1 and degree 1. Similarly, for the fourth one, we can say what will be the highest derivatives what here? Highest derivatives 3. So order will be what? Order will be 3, and degree what will be? Degree what will be? Degree what? Degree will be what? 1. Okay, degree will be 1, because highest derivatives of the highest of this 1. This is why degree will be 1. Now 5 will be what? Here order what? Second derivatives. Okay, so order will be 2, and degree what will be? Degree also 2, because highest power is 2. Okay, now these all are ordinary differential equations, remember it. But this is partial differential equation, because dependent variable is single, and independent variable is more than 1. That means 2 independent variable. This is why it is partial differential equation. And order will be what here? Here order will be 1, and degree also 1. Okay, degree also 1. Similarly, 7 will be what? 7 will be what? Order will be 2, and degree also will be 1. Order will be 2, order 2, degree what? 1. And here order will be 1, because for only single derivatives, order will be 1, and highest power what? 1. Degree also 1. Okay. Now 9 number equation, order will be what? 1, because highest derivative what? 1. Order 1, and degree what? Degree will be 2. Degree will be what? Degree will be 2. So now this will be what? Single derivatives. This is why order will be 1 and degree what will be? Also 1. And in the last, that means 11th, order will be what? Highest derivative is 2. This is why order will be what? 2 and degree what will be? Highest power what? 1. And this is the partial differential equation because independent variable is more than 1, and this is also partial differential equation, and this is also partial differential equation, this also partial differential. These all are partial differential equation, remember it, because independent variable is more than 1 partial differential equation, and this is also partial differential equation. Now another from another column, you must know what will be the order and degrees of differential equations. Actually single derivatives, this is why order 1 and degree 1 also. Okay, order 1 degree also 1. Okay, order 1 degree 1, and here highest derivatives what? Highest derivatives 2. Okay, so order will be what? 2 and degree what will be? Degree 1, because highest power what? 1. In third one, highest derivative what? 3. This is why order will be 3, degree what will be? Degree will be 1 because highest power will be 1. So degree 1. Now from this one, highest order what will be? Second derivatives. Okay, order will be 2. Order will be 2. Degree will be what? Degree highest power what? 1. This is why. Now equation 16, differential equation number 16, highest derivative what? Highest derivative is 3. So order is 3. Okay, order is 3 and highest power what? Highest power 2. This is why degree 2. Degree 2. Remember it. Now this is the actually differential coefficient on the power of e. Remember it. Exponentiation of differential coefficient. This is why highest here 3 times differentiation. This is why order will be what? Order will be 3, but degree what will be? Actually degree cannot be applied here because this is the power of exponential function. So if any power of exponential function, then degree cannot be measured. So degree does not apply here. Remember it. Degree does not apply because this is the power of exponential function. Now 18, number 1, highest derivative what? Single derivatives. So order 1 and degree what will be? Degree also 1, because if we make the square on both sides, then we get the highest power is 1. So degree also 1. Now 19th equation, highest derivative what? 1. So order 1. Okay, order 1 and degree what will be? Highest power. If we remove this 3, that means 1 divided by something, then we have to multiply it with this on both sides. So power will become y dash multiply this 3 times. This is why this will be degree will be what? 4. Okay, so order 1 degree 4 here. It can be written as 1 by y minus x y dash whole cube. Okay, then cross multiplication we get y dash into what? Y dash cube. This is why y dash to the power 4. This is why degree 4. Remember it. Now at the last one, highest derivative what here? 2. So order will be what here? Order will be 2. Now degree what will be? Actually fourth root over this. Okay. So taking power 4 on both sides, we get easily the power 4. Okay. Here. So power 4, then we can remove this sign. We have to remove the square root sign. Okay. Radical sign. This is why after removing this fourth root, we can get the d square p by d theta whole square whole to the power 4. Okay. This is why degree will be 4. And remember this is the actually ordinary differential equation, and this is also ordinary, this is also ordinary. Okay. And all are ordinary here, and this all ordinary, all are ordinary. Okay. All are ordinary differential equation. So only 4 partial differential equation, because in partial differential equation more than one independent variable. So this is the actually I have classified these 20 differential equations with order and degree, and also classified which one is ordinary and which one is partial differential equations. So this is very important for you. So any differential equation, actually order will be the number of derivatives. Okay. And degree will be what? The highest power on the derivatives. So here this 2 is the order. Okay. Order, that means times of differentiation. The highest differentiation occurs in this equation is 2. This is why order is 2, and highest power on derivatives is what? 3. This is why degree 3. So in using this theme, we have classified all these 20 differential equations. Okay. Very easy. Solution of a differential equation. There are 3 types of solution actually: general solution, particular solution, and a singular solution. So first of all, what is the general solution? Now what will be the general solution of a differential equation? The relation containing the relation containing an arbitrary constant which satisfies an ordinary differential equation, ordinary differential equation of nth order is called complete primitive or general solution. Okay. Remember this: if the ordinary differential equation is of nth order, then there will be an arbitrary constant. So if there are second order, then arbitrary constant what will be? 2 arbitrary constants. Remember it. So if these arbitrary constants after putting on original differential equation, and it will be satisfied, then that solution is called actually general solution. And it can be shown that by eliminating an arbitrary constant from the equation in the dependent variable and independent variable, you get a differential equation of nth order. Such process is called formation of differential equation. After this definition, we will discuss about this. Now, what will be the particular solution? Particular solution. What will be the particular solution? A particular solution particular solution of a differential equation of a differential equation
স্যার নামাজের জন্য 10
is
মিনিট টাইম
one
দিলে ভালো হতো।
is one obtained from the primitive by assigning the definite values of arbitrary constants. So a particular solution of a differential equation is one obtained from the primitive by assigning the definite values of the arbitrary constants. So if in any nth order ordinary differential equation we get what? An arbitrary constant. So for second order we get 2 arbitrary constants. For third order we get 3 arbitrary constants, and for fourth order what will be how many constant? 4 constant. So after finding the every values of constants by assigning some initial or boundary values, then we get the value of what? Arbitrary constants. After putting this the values of arbitrary constants in the original or primitive differential equation we which satisfied, then this solution is called actually particular solution. Remember it. Now what will be the actually singular solution? If any differential equation represents a single solution, only single solution is called what? Singular solution of a differential equation. Suppose for example I have a differential equation like this. Okay, so how we can solve it? Integrating on both sides we get, integrating on both sides what will be? Integrating y equals to what will be? X square by 2 plus c. Okay, there is a constant, arbitrary constant. This is the order of what? 1. This is why only one arbitrary constant. If there are order 2 we get what? 2 arbitrary constant. Remember it. So suppose there are assigned values. Suppose y0 equals to 1 initial values. That means x equals to, if x equals to 0 then y equals to what? 1. So if we put these values, this assigning initial values, then if x equals to 0 then y equals to what will be? Y equals to what will be? 0 divided by 2 plus c1. That means c1 equals to what? C1 equals to what? Only 1. Now putting in this equation c1 equals to what? Y equals to x square by 2 plus 1. That means this is the general solution. This is what? General solution. But this will be what? Particular. This is particular solution because after assigning the values, we have assigned this value of constant through the solution. This is why we get the exact solution. Okay, so this is called particular solution, and after assigning the arbitrary constant, then we containing only arbitrary constant, the solution will be what? General solution. Remember it. This is the example of general solution and particular solution of a differential equation. Okay, now formation of differential equation. Now we will learn how to form or how to produce differential equations. That means formation of a differential equations. For example, obtain the differential equation associated with the primitive y square equal to x square plus bx plus c. This is the actually equation of a curve. So there are how many constant? 3 constant. That means you have to remove this constant to obtain the differential equations. So how to form differential equations? By removing arbitrary constants. What we are the given equation is we are given y square equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is equation number what? 1. Now differentiating on both sides, we can write what with respect to x? Twice y, then dy dx equal to twice x plus b. Twice x plus b, right? Just differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Again differentiating, again differentiating. This is the UB process. Okay, 2 into then y into second derivatives. Okay, then b into dt dy dx. Okay, this will be only twice and this will be what? 0. This is the 2 times differentiation. After 2 times differentiation, we get this 1. That means twice y d square y dx square plus 2 dy dx whole square equals to what will be? Twice a. Okay. Now again, third time differentiation. Again differentiating. That means taking ddx on both sides. We get what? This is also ub. Okay. ub. Then u into this differentiation. What will be? In plus d square y dx square into dy dx plus this what will be 4 dy dx. Again ddx of dy dx, that means d square y dx square equals to what will be? 0. So here first time differentiation and here what what will be? Again differentiation 2 times differentiation, and here 3 times differentiation. That means to remove these 3 constants, we have to differentiate 3 times. Okay, 3 times differentiation. So after simplifying, we can write this one dividing by 2 on both sides. We get y d cube y dx cube. This will be dx cube. 3 times differentiation plus. So d square y dx square dy dx, d square y dx square dy dx. That means what? After dividing by 2 on both sides, we get 2 into 1. That means 3 dy dx into dy square y by dx square equals to what? 0. Actually, this is the required differential equation from the given primitive, because all 3 constants are removed and we got a differential equation whose order is 3 times differential equation. This is why 3 times differentiation. So order is 3 and degree what will be? Degree will be highest power of derivatives what? 1. This is why order will be 1. Order will be 3. Degree will be 1. And this is the result. This is the second times differentiation. This is why second order. Okay. Now this is the dy dx multiply dy dx, dy dx whole square. Remember it. These are not same. So just using UB process, we get this. This is the 2 times differentiation. So b is gone. Okay. C also gone for the first derivatives, and b also gone for the second derivatives, and last constant a also gone for the third derivatives. This is the